Hi, my name is Travis. I'm with Spectrum Overhead Door. We are your local garage door repair company. Our office is here in Houston. Houston is the only market that we serve in. We do garage door repair and installation. We also work on your garage door opener units as well as your driveway gates. Now, we do offer free estimates to all of our customers. We will come out and give you a free consultation, take a look at what your issues are, what it is you need. If you need a new garage door, we can show you different options on site. We can take you to our website and show you different options. If you'd like to, you can come visit our local office in Houston and sit down with one of our sales managers and take a look at the options. We do have some displays already set up for you, and then we also have samples where you can take a look at different kinds of doors. So if you take a look online, there's so many testimonials about us, either on Angie's List, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Best Pick Reports. Everywhere you'll look, you'll see that we do good work for our customers. We really care about what we do. We're passionate about what we do. All of our technicians, they wear company shirts. They have marked vehicles. All of our vehicles are fully stocked. Technicians are background checked. They're fully trained. They're super good at what they do. Some of the most common jobs we do daily is we go out and we repair garage door springs that are broken. Maybe you have a door that's crooked and off track. If your opener is not working right, you press the button and it won't close. Or maybe you press the button and it's making all kinds of noises. We carry all those repair parts on our trucks. We can take care of you the same day. When you call Spectrum Overhead Door, you're going to reach Mike, our dispatcher, and he was formerly our lead technician out in the field for 8 years. So he really knows what he's doing. You're not just calling somebody that's there to book appointments. He can answer your questions. A lot of times he solves problems right over the phone. If you have a safety sensor issue or something like that, a lot of times we help you out and we just tell you what it is you need to do and you can get it done. You can save the trip charge, save the service call fee. When you do need work done, we give you free estimates, free on-site consultations. We're not afraid to give you prices over the phone. All of our technicians are good guys. They're our employees. They're not paid super high commissions. They're on an hourly rate. The advantage to that is that there's not huge incentive to overcharge you or anything like that. Some of the bigger companies, you do have to worry. They're trying to push every job between $500 and $1,000 for something small, whereas that's about the cost of your brand new garage door. And so we realize that. We try to treat you fairly. We want to win your business for the future. We want you to be confident that you can let your family, your friends, your neighbors know about us. That's what it's all about, because we want to keep our advertising down. We'd like to utilize word of mouth wherever possible, and then that just translates into better prices for our customers, and our customers are always happy about that. So I just want to invite you to call us today. We look forward to speaking to you, and anything that we can do to help you, any questions that you have, we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. There's no stupid questions. And just don't hesitate to call us at 281-748-9542. Have a blessed day.